Zion, Zion, road design, Zion, Zion, road design.
Cars, trucks, SUVs, even diesel tags. Best mechanic on the planet, ain't no need to scratch. Every issue attack like a lion. Got a problem, indeed we'll find it. Pop the hood, we gon' get up inside it. Fix it up, saw that up.
We are back, Team Road Design. As y'all can see, man, I got the plastics apart, gas tank out, have the engine out, front bumper, the foot pegs, the exhaust, the radiator, both carburetors. Getting ready to disassemble the front suspension, and I'm gonna do the rear suspension and the swing arm. Then I'm gonna do the wire and harness and everything, and the brake, and the handlebars. I had you guys on a time lapse, but my phone died. So just wanted to give y'all an update where we at with it. I'm at the time lapse the rest of the video. And stay tuned, Road to Zion. Many hands make light work. All right, Road to Zion, we back with the Bumblebee Banshee. Here go the frame that's apart. The front shocks, the A-arms, the front bumper, the exhaust system, the tie rod, the front wheels, the backing plates for the rotors, the rear shock, the brake lines, the plastics for the T-Rex, as well as the plastics for the Bumblebee. You see the fuel tank. You also see all the other parts, the chain, and all the other components that came off the bike via the wire harness. See the swing arm. See the hub assembly, the knuckle, the steering shaft, the front spindles right there, and then some more miscellaneous parts. There are the rear wheels as well. I'm about to measure the chain. I'm gonna measure the front shocks, the rear shocks, get the tire sizes. So that way, when I order the parts, I can have this information to match it up with the new parts I'm getting ready to order, so we can send everything to powder coating. There go the school tail light as well. Let's get